this? It's an elephant. What animal is this? It's a rhino. Very good. What animal is this?
It's a zebra.
Okay, give me 10. Yes, very good. Next, Mary. How are you, Mary?
I'm fine, and you?
Yeah, good. Thanks. What animal is this?
It's a zebra.
Okay, it's a zebra. Okay. What animal is this?
It's a giraffe.
What animal is this?
It's a camel.
Camel. What animal is this?
It's a tiger.
Okay, what animal is this? It's a
rhino.
no. Is this a rhino?
Hippo.
Oh, very good. What animal is this?
It's a camel.
Hippo.
Hippo.
Hippo. What animal is this? It's an elephant.
It's an elephant.
Okay, very good.
It's a
Next, Oliver. How are you, Oliver?
I'm fine, and you?
Yeah, good. What animal is this? An elephant. It's an elephant.
It's a hippo.
It's
a
zebra.
It's a giraffe.
Giraffe.
It's a camel. A tiger. It's a hippo.
Okay, hippo. Very good. Alright. So let us try to have new lesson. Okay. Okay. This is a zoo. Okay? Zoo. Alright. You are going to tell me